Good morning. Oh, welcome to Killbear Provincial Park. I arrived here quite late yesterday evening, so I managed to set up camp. Wasn't able to record anything. Settled in nicely. Camp's looking good. I'm going to show you that a little bit later. And yeah, had a nice night's sleep last night. The weather's lovely, and it's great. All around great. Ontario has just come out of a lockdown, very long lockdown, and it's been the first weekend that we've been able to go out for a very long time. So I tried to take the opportunity to come out and go for a bit of a camp, go out into some nature, create a video, just reconnect and get away from the city. I don't really have many plans while I'm here. The weather's not really looking too great. I do definitely want to shoot some astrophotography. That's very high up on the list. So hopefully one of these nights we'll get to do that. There's also a couple sightseeing points as well, which I definitely want to have a look at. There's a lighthouse. That could be really cool. We can to go see that. And there's also a tree which is called the Killbear tree. And it's a very famous tree. And I'm going to go on a hike to go have a look at that and maybe get some photographs of that. Ideally, we'd get the tree with the Milky Way in the background at night, but well, hopefully the weather will play its part and then we can do that. I think it's definitely time to go and get the fire going, start cooking up some breakfast. I think while I do that, I'm going to show you the campsite, and you can see what it all looks like and how I'm set up. So, this is the setup we got here. Behind me, we've got the dining area, which has got the tarp over the top of it. And the reason for that is because there's a lot of stuff falling from the sky and or from the trees. So, just put that there to stop it falling in my food. One of it's caterpillars. I'll show you also them just like hanging around and then they just fall on top of you, which is pretty crazy. Also in the backyard we've got my tent, which is where I sleep. Really nice setup there. Nicely covered by all the trees around it, which makes it actually really, really nice. And then over here we've got the table where I'll do all the cooking, setting up for dinner and whatnot. And then on the fire, then we've got the fire set up there as well, which is going now. So we've almost got time for some breakfast. And then lastly, we've got the chair with the side table next to it for my drink, which is really important. But yeah, we've got the fire going now, so time for us to So I've been reading the map and looks like we're going to head out to go see the Lighthouse Point and the Killbear tree. So we're going to go on a couple of hikes, some good views hopefully, and yeah, hopefully some good vibes. On the search for Killbear tree, and I'm following a route, or a path should I say. It's not marked or anything, but heading in the right direction, but I'm not too sure where I am right now. So there's lots of trees around, not too sure what I'm looking for just yet. So I'm actually getting to a clearing here, so let's see what we see here. See a tree here. Let's see, do you think this could be Could be the tree. I'm not too sure. Seems a bit small. I don't think so. There are some people hanging out in the water. Looks really nice actually. But yeah, let's carry on searching. We've made it to the tree. You can see it over my shoulder there, and it's actually really cool. Looks really unique against all the rock in the foreground. It's really cool. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, take some photos. We also brought along a 200 to 500 mil lens. So I'm also gonna try to see if I can shoot some birds and maybe some other wildlife, maybe some people swimming in the water. We'll see.
I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. All the magicians assistant in their dreams. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, oh, they come unstuck. Lady running down to the riptide, take it away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
So, in case you can't hear, it's raining outside. Yep. It was actually really nice to sleep to. The pitter-patter of the raindrops on the tent. Very nice and soothing. But it does mean that today I can't go out and do what I plan to do. I also can't cook breakfast, which is a bit of an issue, but might just spend a little bit longer in the tent this morning and see how long the rain lasts for, and then we'll go from there. But last night I actually ended up going for a hike to the Killbear tree to try and get some shots of the Milky Way as it came up over the tree, and boy did we get lucky. Man, the hike on the way back though was a whole nother story. Hiking on an unmarked trail with no direction of where you're going except the water, all through rocks. Man, when we made it, we got back to camp at about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, so it was a late one. So I think I'm just gonna like I said, take it easy for a little bit longer this morning and see how long this rain lasts. The rain continues and it's made it a tough day today. It's pretty much rained everything out. Haven't been able to do anything. I was able to cook though for a short while, so got some food in me. Definitely helped a lot. I'm at the Lighthouse Point trail. You can actually see the entrance of it right there behind me. I'm going to try to scout out the location for tonight because I want to come and do some astrophotography there tonight. So I'm going to go check that and see how accessible it is and what the view looks like. But it is still raining, so I'm not too sure how if I'm able to get there or not. But yeah, not going to let the rain keep us down, hey? We have made it, yes, to Lighthouse Point. Lovely view. Gonna do some scouting for tonight, see on Skyguide where the Milky Way and how things can line up, and yeah, then we're gonna head back. But it is still raining a little bit. Glad I did this. Glad it's been a beautiful little hike, and yeah, let's carry on going. So dinner today is going to be a quick one. It's just going to be quick cook, and then we're going to go out and try to take some astro photos. And we are having some boerewors. It's a South African sausage, which you don't actually get much of here in Canada. What we've got over here. So last morning, thought I'd come out and take in the sunshine one last time, taking these amazing views. So last night, little hike to go and see the lighthouse actually turned out fantastic. The sky broke open at the perfect time, was able to fly the drone, got some fantastic views. It was such a good decision to go out and try and shoot, even though it was raining. And we got rewarded, so props for that. So after spending 4 days, 3 nights, I can safely say that Killbear Park is definitely up there on the top of my lists. It's been such a great trip. From the tree to the lighthouse, the beaches. I would highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to camp, really. Anyone who's looking for a nice, relaxed getaway, I would highly recommend it. I'd say my favorite thing was definitely the tree. There's just something about it, the uniqueness of it, and the fact that it lined up perfectly with the Milky Way, and I was able to get such a good shot of that. That has to be the highlight of my trip, I think, is that shot and seeing the tree. Oh, but now, gotta go back to camp, gotta pack up everything, quite a lot to pack up, so let's see how quickly we can get it done.
Gold on your fingertips, fingertips against my cheek. Gold leaf across your lips, kiss me until I can't speak. Gold chain beneath your shirt, shirt that you let me wear home. Gold's fake and real love hurts. Nothing hurts when I'm alone. You're with me and we're alone. And let me crawl inside your veins. I'll build